shall we quickly recall what we discussed in the last time? Okay, wait. Just raise your hand. Okay, manager, very good.
Sir, about paddy, sir, how to cultivate the paddy and in which seasons in its festivals we have
Yeah, how it is associated with the culture. And
its
And the steps.
Yes, sir.
Steps involved
In the
cultivation
of
paddy. Very good, sit down. Can anybody say the first step of paddy cultivation?
sir.
Preparation of soil.
Stand up. Preparation of
Soil.
soil. What we will do in preparing soil? What are the two steps involved?
Plowing.
Okay. Plowing.
Leveling.
Leveling. Very good. Okay, sit down. Can somebody stand up and say why do we do plowing?
Sir, yeah.
Okay, man, stand.
Sir, because of the sand must be when we can keep in this, no, sir.
To
It's put
loosen the
yeah.
soil. So what will happen by loosening the soil?
Its roots will be go inside and it will be
Very good.
from a plant, sir.
It will provide an environment for the root development very easily. If the soil is very tight,
It will be
Root?
can't
Yeah.
development, sir.
root development will be slow. And moreover, we can supply oxygen and water very easily. When the soil is not
It
so
will
tight,
be
soil is freely arranged. And why do we do leveling? Can anybody say why do we do leveling? Yeah, very good.
Sir, because if the water came into all the water will come to the downside, we not do level.
Very good. If the level of soil is uneven, then water will come and stay stagnant at a place. So for the plants which are there in a height, those will not get enough water. What for we are doing this? All this flowing and this leveling. We are doing this flowing for supplying water only, right? When the purpose itself is going in vain, it's not useful. Even flowing is not useful without leveling. Okay, sit down. Very good. Okay. I would like to ask you a question. What do you think the most important process? You know the process, right? At least slight idea. Because most of, as you told, most of you from village, and some of your parents are farmers even. So, do you have any idea which is the most important process?
Sir, we must not wear purgul mandu like that, sir. We wear means
We
it will
must
be
not use pesticides. Okay. So you would prefer manure prepared from cow dung or animal waste. Okay, very good in manure. So okay, we are doing this preparation of soil. What will you do after this? After preparing, will you leave it like that?
It will be again we can take and move.
Stand up. Emmanuel, come here. Come on, Emmanuel. You're saying something. Okay, purpose. I mean, what is the main aim? I mean, what's the next step after preparing soil? Yeah, you can say.
సార్ మనం ఓల్ అవి ఇవి దొరికాయి కదా సార్ చిన్నప్పుడు ఒక దాంట్లో పెట్టాం కదా అవి పెద్ద అయ్యాక మనం అందులో తీసుకొచ్చి నాటుతారు కదా సార్ దానివల్ల మట్టి మెత్తగా ఉండడం వల్ల మెత్తగా ఉంటే మనం బేగా పని చేస్తాం.
Very good. Emmanuel is saying first we prepare plant sets. Molecules. Very good. We will prepare plant sets first. By preparing, first we will take a plot of land. We will not take whole field. We will take a plot of land and we will prepare plant sets in that. And we will take it out. He is saying that is the most important and the next step after this preparing soil. Okay, very good guess. So, what's the next step? What can be the next step?
Sowing seeds.
Sowing seeds. Very good. Sowing seeds. Okay. what we told yesterday, like what is that grain? Is it a seed or fruit? Seed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when it is seed itself, fine. Can we use that seed for next year? Wait. Somebody is saying, how many are saying yes? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, almost all. Then why do you want to say no? Okay. Then why do your parents buy seeds every year? Why do you think they buy every time? Seeds nearly 1,000 to 1,200. You know that, right?
One paddy.
How much is the cost of one packet of paddy that is available in your home? Huh? No. The paddy packets available in your home as production. How much is the cost of that? Definitely not more than 600. Do you all agree? See,
500.
yeah, 500, 600. It will be like that. Then why do you go to market and buy some packet from somebody else? Why can't you use the same seed you got in the last crop? Huh?
To get
No
the
idea?
No idea
to
that.
get it different.
Okay. Today we will discuss the same. We'll understand why our farmers are not using the seeds of last year for this year. They are buying every year, right? They are investing a lot of money on them. Now one packet is nearly 400, 1300. Huh? 1500. Okay, 1500. Then how about the packet of rice you will sell? Like you are getting now, right? How much is that packet of rice? Any idea?
1,200.
1,000? No, not 1,000. The same packet. See, the packet you are saying is the big packet. Not that big packet. See, the size also you should. Yeah. The size also matters. When you buy seeds from the market, what is the size of that? Will you get this much packet? You will get only this much packet, right? If you buy the same, if you sell same packet, you will get only 400 to 500, not more than that. Okay? So what's happening? What's the difference between these seeds and the seeds we are buying from the market? Come on, stand up. I think you know the answer. That's why you're smiling. Come on, stand up. What do you think the difference between the? Okay, you also know the answer. Stand up. Okay, video. Okay, come on. Stand up. You're saying answer. Yeah, you're almost right. Stand up, stand up. Stand up. You're saying some answer, right? No? So you don't know the answer. Okay, just stand up. Okay, from where we will get that? We are getting seeds from market, no? From where they are coming? Are we getting from any other farmer? No, right? Those are not from any other farmer. We are getting it from factories. Very good. We are getting it from factories, not from any next farmer or some other farmer. Right? So if you observe it clearly, you can find some of the differences between the two seeds. The seeds you are getting and the seeds you are buying from the market. What can be the differences? Okay, I will tell you. See, stand up. Yeah. Okay, very good. Good job. Your friend is asking why different varieties of seeds vary in size and shape. Right? Because they are grown in different conditions and their genetic material is different. See, just for example, take the example of your parents and you, and take example of somebody, your friend's parents and them. If you see, you can find some of the similarities between you and your parents and your friend and his parents, right? So genetic material matters a lot, right? So the answer for your question is genetic material, and the environment, those are grown up. Fine. And any other doubts? Okay, let's discuss the differences between the seeds we are getting and the seeds we are buying. Okay, for getting a good yield, what you would prefer? Healthy seed or some unhealthy seed? Healthy seed only, right? How do you look? How does a healthy seed look like? Okay, how does a healthy person look like? Not more fat. Okay, enough body. I mean, good body, yeah, and good height and handsome. Handsomeness doesn't matter. Okay, and he should be healthy, right?
Yeah.
When he will be healthy? When his immunity is good. So how should be a seed according to this? You can relate the both. How should be a seed? Good quality seed. How it will be? It will be round. I mean not round. Healthy. Yeah. First it will be healthy. And it will be disease resistant. What is disease resistant? Very good. Disease resistant means those seeds which can fight diseases easily, which can withstand diseases. Disease resistant. Okay. See, when we are farming, yeah, we will get all kind of seeds. You know, if you go to a market and if you observe it clearly, they say underweight for some of the packets. Why do you think the reason? What do you think the reason is? Some packets will be at a weight which is lower than the required. They will set a level. One packet will be nearly these many kgs, nearly 60 kgs or 7 kgs. They will set a value. And some packets will be underweight, nearly some 5 to 10 kgs less. What do you think the reason is?
The quantity.
No, the quantity will be same. Yeah, very good. Good guess, but the quantity will be same. Same packet, right? When we want to fill same packet, we should fill with same quantity, right? But the quality is missing there. Quantity is okay.
No. Let's wait.
Yeah, let's wait because of underdeveloped seeds sometimes. The seed size is not enough. When it's not healthy, it will be underdeveloped, right? Can you find difference between this boy and this boy? Yeah, height and he's thin also. But he's cute. Okay? So, what happened? Okay. Some packets will be underweight because of quality is not good. So we can't use those in next generation. I mean, we can't use it as seed. We can eat it, but we can't use it. Okay? These are qualities of healthy. Those we are finding in markets. And how about those which we may get? See, even
సార్ మనం విత్తనాలు అవి అయిపోయాక గింజలాగా విడదీస్తాం కదా సార్. గింజలాగా విడదీసిన తర్వాత వేడి ఉండే రూమ్లో ఎందుకు పెడతాం సార్?
వేడి ఉండే రూమ్ ఎక్కడ పెడతాం?
ఏమో తెలియదు సార్. చూసాను ఇక్కడ. అంటే పొట్టు బయటికి రావడానికి అన్నారు
Sir, giving factory sir. Yes, sir. If we keep those rice in the fat in the mixture, it will come. So the out piece will be there and the it will come very fast.
Okay, if we keep it in
Any mixture.
okay, what we will do before oil?
Oil, no fat, sir. They will dry it in the sun, sir.
Okay, they will dry it in the sun. Okay. See, they will dry it in the sun because the seeds can be wet sometimes because we leave it in field itself. No, we will cut it and leave it in there itself. So it will be wet sometimes, and it will when it is wet that may get any fungal diseases, right? Because grain is food, right? Even it can attract some of the fungus and virus. I mean some of the bacteria. So as to kill all those will dry it in sun. And yeah, second thing also happens when it dries, that outer layer will come very easily. Okay?
Sir, if we dry it in sun more also, inside the rice will be broken, sir. If we keep in sun more, sir.
Yeah, if you leave it in sun for more, of course, all the water content will go and it will break. Yeah. Okay, these are, then how will be the rice we are getting? I mean, in fields, a farmer is getting. What can be the quality? Good quality. Yeah, good quality can be there, but half of them may be not of good quality sometimes. Okay, we can't assure good quality. No assurance. No assurance. And healthy also we can't assure. Disease resistance also. Yeah, these can be there, but we can't assure. We can't be completely dependent on it. Okay? We can't assure all these properties here. Fine? And you know, I will tell you a very interesting thing. Some of the factories will do these kind of things. Like they will prepare sterile seeds. You know sterile seeds? Okay. This, I think this, yeah, sterile seeds. How will be the sterile seeds? See, in their genetic makeup itself, they will prepare a kind of seeds. Like, if, yeah, we will get it as food. But if we sow it again, we will not get plantlets. Even if we get plantlets, they won't bear that seeds and flowers and seeds. They can't give rise to next generation seeds. So what will happen? We will get nothing except the grass. We will be left out with the grass. Nothing else will get. Is that clear? Did you all understand? Some seeds will be sterile. Those seeds we are getting from market. So what we'll get? We can get seeds for the next generation. That's it. We can't get seeds for the next generation. I mean, we can't use it for sowing again. Okay? Wait. I'll tell you clearly. We'll get a packet of rice from market. We can use it for producing plantlets. We'll get plantlets. Okay? Then we will get yield also. We will get good yield. Rice.
In the outside will be
Yeah, we will get good yield also. But when we use this is the grain, right?
Yes, sir.
When we use this grain for the next generation, next year, what will happen? We will get the plantlets. That is for sure. Yeah, sometimes we won't even get plantlets also. That won't produce seeds at all. No seeds will be there. We will get only grass. So we will be, in then what we will get? We will not get even single grain. So that's why when we are buying first generation from market, we shouldn't, maximum most of us don't use the outcome as next generation seed. That's why we are buying again and again. Actually this is a technique also. Technique from the commercial, this corporate companies. Why do they prepare these kind of sterile things? If they do this, we again will go to them, right? Again we'll go and buy. Again we'll buy the seeds. Again they will get profit. If they prepare good one, if they prepare healthy, if they prepare the seeds which will reproduce for many generations, will we go for them again? No, right? We'll use the same again and again. And even after generation, there is risk of diseases. First generation can be healthy. Second generation may get some of the diseases. And third generation, completely more and more diseases. That's why we shouldn't rely completely on. No. Rely completely on this. What we are getting. Okay. Do you think these all risks won't be there in market products? See, okay, your friend is saying one packet of rice is 1500. Why do you think that is 1500? Why is it so costly? Why are they bringing it out from factory? Just for packing they will prepare factory. They will do something inside factory, right? What do you think they will do inside it? Chemical. Chemical? Okay, very good. Stand up. What's your name? No, stand up. You are right, you are right. Who told the answer? Very good. They will use some chemical. Very good. What's your name? Sujit. Sujit. Okay. See, one packet of rice is 1500. When they are getting, they will select good quality of seeds. Here we are getting, no, we are saying we can't assure. Here they will do assurance. They will select only good kind of seeds, which are healthy, and which are disease resistant. Okay? Do you know how they will confirm which are healthy? Yeah. Okay. I'll tell you simple method of confirming this. If you take some grains of rice, and paddy, and if you put it in water, what will happen? Will all the grains sink inside? No? Will all the grains stay above the water level? No. Half of those will go inside, and half will be floating on the surface.
What will be floating on surface? It was not good.
This is
Very good, Emmanuel. Those seeds which are floating on the surface, water surface, is not good. Only the healthy seeds will be submerged into the water. Okay, then is that the thing they will do inside factory?
No.
We can do the same thing inside our home only, right? What else they do? Any guesses? Just now your friends who did told something. Okay, very good. Stand up. Very good. They will separate those good quality seeds aside, and what they will do after that? Okay, very good. So, seed, and what they will do then? They will apply some of the chemicals on it, so that it will stay disease resistant. Okay? And sometimes they even introduce that disease resistant genes into the crop. What are the disease resistant genes? Resistant genes. You have a genome, right? Your DNA. You know DNA, right? Your DNA itself is your genome. So everybody will have a DNA, and we will behave. We will respond according to our DNA. So yeah, very good. Our qualities and how we respond, how we do things, how we look like, everything will be there in our DNA. When we replace it with something, some good quality, I mean, when we cut the bad piece of DNA and when we add good piece, when we add disease resistant piece, we will be disease resistant, right? Of course, doing it in humans is very, there are only few kind of disease resistant things are available in human beings, but in crops there are many, because we went and many researchers. So first thing they will do, selecting quality of good seed. Selecting quality and applying chemicals. Okay, applying chemicals, and then one more method is also there. Genetic modification. Genetic modification. These are the ways how they are providing good quality seeds. Right? Write it down in your notes.
Sir, we are adding chemical also. Why that we are side effects?
No, that chemical, very good doubt. So you were saying the chemicals are added on the surface. Will we get any diseases by adding it? That's it, right? So when we are adding the chemicals on that, are we eating that?
No, sir.
No, right? We are using it for sowing, and we will get seeds from that. And the chemicals are applied on the surface itself, not inside it. Okay? Painting, sowing of seeds.
Farmers is very far. They get into farming too far.
Telugu tell.
Farmers,
They buy seeds.
yeah, they will buy seeds.
Last year they can use nothing, sir.
Last year seeds
They can use for 5 years.
for this year. Okay, sit down. That's what we are discussing. In our traditional, our ancestors used to do that. They used to use last year seeds for sowing this year. Of course, but by doing that, the yield decrease. I told you yesterday, right? The reason for decreasing, how our yield is very low. We are using 40 million hectares for paddy itself. But what we are getting, we are just getting 76 million metric tons. We are getting very less. Why? Because we used to follow these kind of old methods, repeating those kind of seeds and all. But when we get, by doing all those, we will get diseases in that, and sometimes we will get less seed. That's why we shouldn't do that. That's why we are buying seeds every year.
That's what.
What? Sowing at a fine. So after doing all this, we are getting a healthy seed. What we do with that healthy seed? We already prepared a plot inside of our field, not completely field. We are just selecting a plot. Yeah, soil bed. We will prepare a soil bed, and we will sow our healthy seeds in that. Fine. Is there any methods for sowing? Method. Somewhere we just disperse it. We throw it our hand.
In some states, it will be there optional, sir.
Yeah.
In that case, we must not sow it.
Well, yeah, exactly. Where the soil bed is so no. Where the soil bed is so fertile and smooth and with a good soil, there only we should do this first step. Because if you do in some hard surface,
It will be not.
the seedlings are so soft, they can't come out.
Root will be not.
Yeah, root will be so soft. So what are the methods of sowing? Different methods. Open your textbook. First method is seed dispersal. Directly by page number 125. First method, broadcasting.
With a tractor.
No, with hand. Broadcasting. The method of dispersing seeds by sprinkling is called broadcasting. Yeah. Methods with hand. One method with hand, and other method using seed drills. Seed drills by using a tractor kind of equipment. Here, yeah, exactly. No. See, we are using this kind of tractor, and see on the top of this, a vessel-like thing is there. In that we will pour the seeds, and pipes are connected to it. and they will reach the ground, and immediately after throwing, I mean, it will drop each seed at each distance. It, I mean, equal distances, and it will cover again. Loudly. Yada, okay. Okay, fine. So through these two methods we can do that. Then see, this machine is covering the seed after planting those. Why should we do that? Why should we cover it with soil?
For growing sir.
No, if we don't cover it, crows and some of the birds will take it away. That's why even when we do that with hand, we will again cover it, everything.
The cranes will eat it.
Yeah, the cranes and some crows. Yeah, okay, very good. So these are the two methods. By that we will prepare seedling in a healthy environment. Then what we are doing? Will we leave it like that? No, right?
It will be little bit.
We will pluck it out after some years. Along with roots we will pluck. And by the time this grows, it will take 40 days normally. Not 40 days exactly, from 2 weeks to 40 days, depending on the variety. See, for each variety there is different time. For normal seeds, it will take nearly 1 month to 45 days. After that, within that time, we will prepare the soil of all over the field, and then we will take the bunches and we will insert it into ground. Then okay. So by that time, our sowing will be over. Okay. And any other doubts? Okay, what do you think the next? Okay, before sowing it as bunches, what we will do?
We must be where water sir.
Exactly. We must provide more water for them, so that it will be completely submerged. At least half of it will be completely submerged. Yeah, in monsoon season only. What? Yeah, easily we can pluck out and easily we can plant it again. And moreover, it is very comfortable season for that, because paddy requires lot of water. Okay? Okay. So tomorrow, write down at least 5 varieties of seeds. Okay? You know this, right? Sona. This is Sona Masuri. Yeah, very good. At least each one, at least write 5 varieties of seeds. Fine? Okay, let's quickly recall what we discussed in this class. Okay. What are the qualities of healthy seed? How will be a healthy seed? Okay, wait, perfect shape. It won't be bulged. I mean, it won't be wrinkled. It will be of perfect shape. And disease resistant. And yeah, that's it. Sit down. And it will give good yield. And any other? Okay, stand up. Can you explain the process from buying a seed to sowing it? Yeah, tell it. Okay, we will select a plot. We'll continue that with our friend. Can you say the process from buying a seed from market and after that what we will do? Okay. Sit down. Yeah, we will loosen the soil. Then we will do leveling. Then yeah. Then we should. Huh? Okay, we will do sowing and we will get the plantlets, and after getting plantlets, after some time will transfer those plant heads into our field. Okay, sit down. Very good. Okay, I gave you homework right already. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in next class.